Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have my fancy cutters and a box some of you will recognize. I am so excited. I've been waiting for this package to come, and I do not like DHL. I'm going to tell you right out, straight out. They have held my package how many days, Darren? 5?
Yeah, it arrived in Cincinnati on Friday morning early.
Yeah. And I'm just now opening it Tuesday afternoon. I don't know, FedEx does better, UPS does better. But here it is, and I am happy, 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 happy. I love these dolls. I got my first one, and I just fell in love. I'm smitten, I love them, and I have exciting news. At least I think it's exciting. All right, you can see it is not a pair. I saw this doll, she came up on the site. We were sitting there waiting for her to come up. Actually, I'm waiting for another one to come up. But when she came up and the other one didn't, Darren said, "Are you sure you don't want one of these other dolls?" And I said, oh, of course I do. And he said, "Did you see this one?" And it was one I was looking at. Smart dolls and their care, her wig, and her stand. Aren't these the coolest stands? These telescoping, stick it in the back stands. I really like those. All right, let's not fool around. Let's get to this doll that I ordered on the 8th of May, and she was not released until the 9th. Japan is 14 hours in front of us, so it was the day she was released there and the day before here, so I'm really tickled about that. I got looking for trouble, and I'm not even changing her name. I'm going to keep her name Trouble. I love that.
And she'll be right at home here.
With you. Yep, that's Darren and I. Looking for adventure. Okay, let me get her wig out here. I don't want to mess up this cover, but it seems to be... Okay, what am I doing wrong here?
Looks like it's sealed.
Or something, yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yes, I am stupid. Actually, I'm very excited. I have 4 smart dolls now. I have been sewing for them. I have been planning for them. Darren and I are wondering if you have seen the new website at, let me get this pulled on, lovingmysmartdoll.com, where we have a big announcement. We are going to host a Winterfest, Smart Doll Winterfest. And for more details, you'd be better off going to the site, because I get so excited. Okay, I'm not doing this right here. No, I'm talking to you rather than... I'm so excited about this doll. She's so cute. So cute. And I want to get this wig on her right. On the website, we have filled in as many details as we can. When is it? January. When in January? Undecided yet. Probably the 3rd weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's going to be live. Live events as in, think of a live on YouTube, where some people will be seen, Darren and I, and our guests. And we already have 3 guest speakers. I think I got it. Now it's a little off, but I'm going to show you this gorgeous doll anyway. Isn't she cute? Oh my goodness. Oh, she's so cute. I had that brush over here earlier and I just put it away. I love that I love that wig. Wow, that is a thick, thick wig. And it stays on better than my other two. Now, it could be me, but oh, I really like her. She's so beautiful. Just gorgeous. So the Smart Doll Winterfest is going to be I'm going to leave a bra on her when I put this on, is going to be an interactive, get to know one another, just have a little bit of fun in January when it's cold out. Nobody wants to go out or do anything. You can wear your PJs because nobody's going to know. It'll have the sidebar or something like that where you can communicate for the contests and the photo sessions. You'll send us your photos and we'll put them up. The contests are going to be really fun. If you're in it for the prizes, this isn't your deal. It's for fun. We are going to have prizes, but they're not going to be like, oh, I don't know, a new Smart Doll. The idea is to interact with other people with I should have just taken her feet off. Smart Doll and other 1/3, there we go, size dolls, ball jointed dolls. Any of the 1/3 dolls are welcome. However, this really is set up for Smart Dolls. Oh, they're cute. Oh. This is my first go at these little PJs I made the other day. And I had tried them on my other doll. I already know what changes I'm going to make in the pattern. And I hope to have this pattern on my website soon because you and your Smart Doll are going to want the casual and yet warm dress code for the Winterfest. So what I want to do is I used my legging pattern that I had made, and I want to let that out, make it a little thicker, take the arms up a little bit, and I don't know about that collar. The collar's kind of big, so I think I want the collar like not as fat. We'll see. Oh, looking for trouble, you are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that face again. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, you sit here a minute, listen to the click. I love that.
How do eyelashes turn out?
Oh, the eyelashes. Yeah, you're right. I got to get my glasses. Oh, they look really good.
Set her down on the table facing up and all.
Okay. Yeah, look at her eyelashes.
I say that because this is the new, what do they call it, double masked eyelashes?
Yeah.
They're using 2 masks, paint masks to paint the eyelashes, and I guess there's some issue
Variations.
where they're consistency issues. Well, not issues, but they vary.
It has photos on Danny's Culture Japan website, the Smart Doll website, the official Smart Doll website. And I just wanted to let you know that any and all 1/3 size dolls are more than welcome. We do not leave people out. Darren and I are not by any stretch of the word doll snobs. If you have one of the dolls like I do from AliExpress, I think I paid less than $20 for her. I love her. I really do. I don't know, what do I have, 5 of these or so? And they are more than welcome. Like I said, everything is set up for Smart Dolls. So the clothing, etc., clothing items in the goodie bags may not fit just right, but they might. I have some AliExpress I'm going to open too. It's such an exciting day. Let me set this over here. I don't want anything to happen. Let's see if I got anything for dolls. What else do I get? Oh, good. Okay. Look at these. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love these. I get these on AliExpress. In case you're wondering, I just got up from a nap. I hurt my back and I've been napping every day. I'm kind of scatterbrained here. I get these on AliExpress. They are so cute. The skirts are adorable. What I really want are these little tops. They are light and breezy, really good for any time of the year. But this is just like such a cute little spring, summer top. And it Velcros all the way up the back. So you don't have to take your doll apart to put it on. Really like those. And then I also get it in the black and white. And you can bet some of these are going to be used for the Winterfest. The jeans, I am not crazy about. I took this seam out and re-sewed them, and they're still not long enough for the Smart Dolls. I mean, they're okay, but they're not, I don't know. To me, they're not cute enough. But these little tops, again, this is that same lightweight. It's such a cute, has these little embroidery on it. They're just cute. And I like the tops, and they're really cute with skirts, really cute. So you'll be seeing those at the Winterfest. Oh, let's see what's in here. Might even be prizes. Like I said, the prizes aren't going to be fantastic. If you're looking for, you know, $100 gift certificates or new Smart Doll, not this one. Okay, I love this. Dory's Dollies, or Dory at Dory's Dollies, just got one of these wigs, and it was funny because I had already ordered mine, and when I saw hers, I'm like, oh yeah. Oh, I really like that. Yeah, this is for a 1/3 doll, would fit a Smart Doll. Trying to remember what, Dory just opened her, well, 2 more Smart Dolls. And I think though this was for her Dream Fairy that she just opened. I like that. Let's see what else I did get. Oh, and I wanted to show you these. Look what I got down at the Dollar General. I had them a while though. I've been meaning to show them to you. Got them after Easter for $1. Had to have them. Smarties. Smarties. I have no, oh yeah, this, yeah, okay. I'll show you, but wait till you see the size. It's like showing for a pair. I got bicycle shorts. Cute. Very cute. And I need them. I haven't even been out on my bike. My back's been so bad, but I'll get back out there. I'm doing better. And, oh, look at these. Oh yeah, these are little boots for 1/3 doll, 1/3 BJDs. There is a purpose for these for the Winterfest that we will get into later. I hope you will go check out my website. I hope you absolutely love my new girl. If you were thinking about getting one of these, looking for trouble Smart Dolls, oh yes. Oh, she's gorgeous. She's absolutely gorgeous. Love her. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.